On Thursday, we took a look at the smaller 12-ounce Maker Sip Cup, and today I am using the new 20-ounce Maker Sip Tumbler in Candy Blush from Save a Cup. I like that the lid screw on these as opposed to having a push-on lid. I feel like it prevents spills a little bit better. And I like the 20-ounce size because it's perfect for toting around, fits in cup holders really well. They do come in a few different colors, making it easy to customize. I like that I don't have to paint it or put glitter on it and epoxy over it and then put my decals on it. So I like slapping the UV wraps on them just because it's relatively quick and easy to do. These are also supposed to be really good for laser engraving. Um, Right now, you can pre order these and get 10% off using the link in my description box. It's so cute. I love it so much.